What's up everybody, I'm Deidre. I have a blog called Dawn on Life. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys my apartment balcony makeover. This video is great if you are a renter and you have a small balcony or patio that you want to make over. This is very budget friendly. I have been struggling to make over this space, and part of the struggle is a lot of furniture places are out of stock, so it was really hard to find pieces that I wanted and pieces that I love. So a couple of trips to IKEA and Amazon, I was able to find some things. So I'm going to show you guys the makeover and the process. I'm going to list everything in the description, also my blog post with more pictures and links. So keep watching. Okay, here is the patio. I'm going to take you outside. Is pretty, yeah. Not much on here.